Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this easy updo in less than 2 minutes. To start, I'm going to take a thin slice of hair from the right hand side of the head, and then I'm going to take the exact same size section from the left hand side. Then just smooth these round to the back of the head and tie them together with a clear elastic band. Next, take a large chunk of hair from the left hand side, and I'm going to slip my fingers to the right hand side of that little ponytail behind the section. Pass the hair to your fingers and pull it all the way through. Then secure to the head with a bobby pin or two. With the remaining hair, I'm going to do a rope braid, so split it in half and I'm going to twist both sections to the right. Then I'm going to cross the right strand over the left strand. Then just continue by twisting the right hand strand and crossing it over the left until you get down to the bottom of the hair. Then just secure it off with another clear elastic band, but on the last turn only pull it part way through to create a loop. Now pin the right hand side of that rope braid to the head, and we're going to bring the braid over to the left hand side, pinning as we go. Then we're going to take the rest of the braid and bring it back over to the right hand side, and then just tuck that little loop underneath so you can't see it, and pin the rest of that braid to the head using as many bobby pins as needed. Fix in place with a little bit of hairspray, and it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.